Ngiyakhulela kwabeSilo, ngiyakhulela kwizizwe zonke on a beautiful Wednesday. Kukhathalekile. Ngithe ngibhizi lapha engane zakwethu. Kwafanele ngenze lokhu kodwa ngicela uqala ngokunika inamba because ngicela ama-witness statements. Ngicela ningisendele ama-witness statements to this number u-076 4433 092 WhatsApp there. 076 4433 092. I'll repeat the number again, 076 4433 092. This morning we went to open a case because I was advised ukuthi ngivule case. Bekufanele ngabe ngivule on Saturday nge-weekend uma ngabe kuqeda ukuthulwa ingonyama, but i-evidence bekufanele umuntu agcine itholile nebikhulumisa ukuthukwa kwengonyama nokukade kuprove ukuthi inhloso is to cause i-cause ne-distraction ekuthuleni kwe-institution ezindlunkulu, which was directly and intentionally directed to ingonyama. Ukhosi ama-office ngokuhlukana kwawo okufaka umfundisi uThulasizwe and umfundi uNondaba as the Royal Chancellor, and igcine ke ifaka myself. Now okugcine ke nami kungenza ukuthi ngibe nestembu esiphelele se-incident ekhulumisa mina qobo, because eminye imibuzo ebike yabakhona ukuthi konje how is it relevant to me ukuvula case if it's directed to iSilo, because unfortunately iSilo ngebesingesikwazi ukuyivulela icala, and I was given that responsibility regarding indaba yamfana Thabani Phuthini Bongani Hlatshwayo. Ngicela ningithumelele that ngenhlahla sesinayo i-address ngoba bake bathi akasevo akalandwe kaBhaka, but ke sebesinikile i-address eqondile. Ngicela ukuthi ningithumelele lokho ngecase ngama-cases avulelwa wona e-criminal injury and sedition. Akhona izinto eziningi ayifakayo based on inkulumo namazwi his uttering, okufaka i-treason kuwona, okufaka incitement, okufaka irrelevancy, okufaka i-arson ne-seduction, and even defamation of character. Kube nezinto abayifunele because icase ivula no-SAPS yebo, but iya ku-NPA or National Prosecuting Authority ukuze kudileke nomfana. Umfana ke ucommite i-crime. Inhlamba and the verbal words are abusive. The way akathuka ngakhona wonke umuntu qualify to open a case. Beyivele khona ke into ebilokhu ihlongozwa ngendaba ye-case yakhe, kodwa isakhulunyiswa and consulting regarding yona, so isigcwele inkulumo yakhona. Ngicela bafune those clips. If you can assist me ngokungisendela ama-video la akhuluma khona specifically lezi inhlamba, nala phakathi khona lizosha izwe, nala khona atheka bangithumelele kuseni ethi la ayekade ethi khona indlula mithini umsebenzi wayo ingonyama nje mayichazelwa kahle kahle la akhuluma khona ingonyama. Bathe bazongithumelele kamfundisi uThulasizwe ekanondaba enginayo la xolisa khona le athuka khona ngayithola nje ngalesi sikhathi kuthiwa ngene ku-live wami. So ngicela ukuthi ningilekelele nje kulesi simo siyaphuthuma. As soon as ebuya uNondaba eMauritius, ngicabanga ukuthi okuningi kwakhona regarding i-case kuzobe kuhlangane la ko-Friday, but ngicela lokhu specifically. As for ukuthi umfana uphinde wathuka kuphi, ngimbonile yini, angiphendule ngenze njani, no. Uyabona nje ngoba ikhona i-platform yokudila nomfana, like I said before, ukuthi uma kuhlula umndeni kuhlula leadership yendawo la akhuliselwe khona, ikhona indlela yokudiscipline umuntu kaZulu. So unfortunately umfana mayeclaim ukuthi it's been more than 15 years ahlukana nomndeni wakhe ekhaya, because shuthi akaphatheki vele umfana. So then it means through umndeni wakhe akukho ukusizakala okuqondile khona ngebhadi. Kushuthi unebhadi yonke lempilo akayiphilayo nangendlela akabehave ngayo, ubekade kushuthi uhambe ifunde emgwaqeni. But ke uyayizwa inkulumo yakhe nokuhlaza abaye ukuthi ukubona umuntu ofuna ukucommit suicide, but manje akanawo amagathi ukuthi akathatha intamba ayoyihenga noma akahamba ayoyiphosa eweni or something, but who's recruiting people ukuthi ababe nesandla towards into yakhe. Hayi mfana kekho ozoya lapho uzodisciplineka. Ababona njengoba usakhawula bathi bayathamba manje and others bazothamba nawe uzothamba nje akuhluphi futhi uma ukuthi ububhethe ekutheni ukuthi mhlambe nawe uyoba nenhlahla njengoMax obese naye eseyibiza ngenhlula yena njengoba uyibiza uPutin and ngeBodyguard igama lakho li-associate noPutin nalento instigateile noyishayo amazwi la afaka icala lakho ngaphansi kwe-asime seduction la wena othi ne-instigation la othi wena khona kuzoshizwe iliphi izwe onalo wena ozolishisa well anyway angizi ngizokhuluma noPutin loyo into engizele ilena ngicela ukuthi ngicela ama-witnesses angilekelele kulokhu those who are prepared to draft the statements because i-case inesindo ngale ndlela but enye into ebibalulekile ukuthi akafunde isifundo umfana so that we put a stop to it baze bathi uyayibona le ndaba yakho yokuthi wamlanda lo Max wafuna ukuthi bezoxoxa nenkosi uZondi kwenza ukuthi abafana abanjengalaba bacabanga ukuthi they can always do this and get away with it so they need to be punished ngendlela efanelekile ukuthi bese rehabilitatewa kanjani mayisetshenziswa ukuyisola and what not it's a different story now it's costing us amagama abuhlungu agcina ehlela mina lawo ngoba shuthi khona indlela enye yayingadilwa ngayo no Max ebingenza ukuthi nomunye ofisa ukubehave the way uMax abehave ngakhona azi ukuthi they put a stop to it noma engabe bakhomba bagoqoze bakise kubhaka ukuthi ubhaka okhundisala abafana uyena obagoqozayo uyena owenze njani mhlamba kusabalekile lokho uma ukuthi ibona uzobakhipha kahle phela sesesitoksini umfana uyobathola nje nontanga laphana abazokwazi ukuthi badile naye ngaphakathi akudingi ukuthi nize nihluphe ngaye akubalekile lokho we need this information ASAP amaphoyisa adinga le information so that they can assist kulesi simo esikhuluma ngaso if you can assist me on that one nokuthi ke uyabona nje ukukhuluma kwa ndodana lo engazi ngoba nabakubo kushutha basenama strings attached to yena futhi yena it's okay yena kuyena lo ukuthi athi amaphoyisa kufuhlele evenini akubopha mhlawumbe futhi icase yethu akayazi because icase yethu ukuboshwa kwethu yeba amaphoyisa afika athi intimidate ama efika eLwini Court efletini logogo belithathwa abantu bangaphandle besebenzisana namabhunu behlukumeza labo gogo which is the syndicate icrime ecommitwa emafletini aseThekwini uyazi ukuthi we handed ourselves over because they detained us for 7 hours bengafuni ukusicharger bethi asibuyele emakhaya sihambe so much that abanye bazama ukuthi babakhiphe we 403 at the time bazama ukuthi babakhiphe abanye ukuze iphele lento so much that they even tried ukuthi bethe basoshena akasale yedwa lo mama uma ukuthi uyasala ngebhadi labo ngithi mina abahamba amasosha ngizosala mina because we need justice for amasosha elabulawa iphoyisa lelumbatha ebaxoba ngetruck lenkulu lena ukuthi makutoyizwa bafuthe ngaye abantu amanzi ngawo khona so we were able to activate that case we were able to activate case yogogo bona le eLwini Court of which sagcina sibathola bamela abanye abathintekayo at some point nje ummeli umdladla lo uke waba i-judge acting judge ngesikhathi kunenye case ebingena ingeniswa yiyo le syndicate leyo ecourt yase-Durban eCR ngoba sinenkinga thina yokuthi uyitshela ukuthi umthetho ukhona umthetho uzokwenzeka kanti inkinga sibhekene nabo khona abantu abayibiza ngama-poor flat dwellers movement abahambe bedla lezi ama-properties alaba abantu because bona babenikwa ama-RDP houses abakwazi ukuyilwela and what not that top 6 edila naleyona mkhulu thina sayibopha thina you understand sayibopha siboshwa ngamaphoyisa wona ngesikhathi esithathile for that unlawful arrest inama consequences ekhosta bona today for an unlawful arrest as we speak bayaclainywa bazobe bengaqali kungena kwe-unlawful arrest uyakhumbula ukuthi ngeke ngamenshile indaba ya general cluster general Ngobeni wase eDurban North la ngaboshwa khona eBeverly Hills kuthiwa Mthumbisile there was an unlawful arrest bagijima baba abancane unfortunately yonke into ngaleso sikhathi kwaphethe uGeneral Lange khole yangena kuyena ethumela uGeneral Ngobeni yamshaya yamginqa wabuyela waba uCluster General for being a provincial general. Ayingangawe mfana leyo uzogeja kakhulu makuthi ucalculate